Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So I have a little new doll to open up. Alright, so yeah, you might want to fast forward. I'm going to tell you why I got this doll, but if you want to just look and see what this doll looks like, feel free to sort of fast forward a little bit. So I told myself I wasn't going to get any middies and fall into the middie hole. And then I started doing some collabs with various people, and they involved middies. So I got some knockoff middies, which are super cute. But as I sew for them and buy some little clothes and stuff, I'm starting to get more attached to them. I do like them, but I can't stand these floppy bodies. These drive me crazy. And it used to be you could buy the fake ones with the Takar style bodies on AliExpress. You can't do that anymore. And I've contacted a couple of vendors that I've bought from regularly, and neither one of them have these Takar style bodies. I have found one place that I could buy the Takara body from on Etsy, and it's like $18. And I'm like, I didn't probably even pay $18 for those dolls. So I bought a real one. And she's super cute looking. So yeah, if I'm going to sew for them and do stuff with them, and I have some other collabs scheduled where I'm going to be doing stuff with the Middie dolls, I don't want to deal with that freaky floppy body anymore. And these are not outrageously expensive compared to other dolls that I have purchased. A lot of these dolls now you can get in the low hundreds, okay? So I think she was on eBay for like $125. That included shipping. Of course, it didn't include tax. You know, they get you there. And there's a few others over there that I'm kind of looking at. One of them has like a, she looks like she's supposed to be Rapunzel, but I don't like how long her hair is. I want to do stuff with her, and her hair's down to the ground, and I don't want to do that. I wish her hair, if her hair was shorter, she'd be a done deal. I really like her. She's well priced. And then there's another one. I'm trying to remember what her name is. She's cute. She's got like a little blonde bob. It's like and it's the yellow blonde. This is a darker blonde. This little Margot doll. Is it Margot her name? Well, it's because she's the little sister to Margot. So yeah, I guess it's Margot. They don't even have her name on here. How weird is that? I mean, it's obviously on here in Japanese, but they don't have her actual name on here. That's odd. Usually they have that. I mean, other than Blythe, but I mean, and the M. So yeah, so that's why I thought I am just going to get this doll. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my other two Middie dolls. I did offer somebody one of them as a gift, and she's not sure which one she wants. And I'm also thinking of coughing up the 18 bucks and just rebodying one of them. I don't know. I just know I don't want to mess with those bodies anymore. So maybe I will sell them. Not sure. All right. But anyway, let me know what you think about that in the comments. I'm going to turn the camera around and take this little girl out. I am a little concerned that she might be stained because that is a black dress. But she's so cute. She definitely rings my bells. I like the looks of her. Margot is a really cute Neo Blythe doll. She's quite pricey these days, the Neo size. But this little Middie doll is super cute. So let's see what she looks like out of the box. All right, so I looked her up. She's a 2012 release. Her name is Melanie. Here she is. Like I said, I am concerned about this, but it looks like she has some plastic on her. And she's comes with a stand. She's got sunglasses. Those are her shoes and socks. This little cute little hair bow. Okay, I'm going to pull her out off camera, and then we'll take a look at her and check out her hair and her stock. You can see her hair back there. They have notoriously bad hair, but I don't know about the Middies. Oh, look how pretty her eyes are. Those look purple. I thought they were gray for some reason, but they look purple to me. Cool. All right, hold on. Let's see what she looks like after I take her out all of this stuff. Goodness gracious. All right, I got her out. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Here's all of her stock. She has these little socks that they're not stretchy at all. I hope I can get them on her. These actually feel like cotton, which is very odd thing to make socks out of. They are super cute. I like the pattern. These shoes are adorbs. Look, they have red on the bottom. I mean, look how cute. And they're red on the bottom. That's a really nice little detail. She has this bow on a comb, so I'm assuming I just stick that in there. We will see how that goes. She has this stand, and the stand, I don't know if you can tell, is kind of sparkly. And these very fun sunglasses. And then, of course, she has her dress that she comes with. Her hair is not massive. I'll comb it out here in a minute, but here's just taking her out of the box. You can see what the hair looks like. So she has the same kind of problematic hair as many Neil Blythes do have. Okay. Hopefully it looks much better once I comb it. Her bangs don't look too bad. They look like they are trimmed evenly, so I like that. Her face is super cute. She's got a matte, or no, she does not have matte. She has a shiny face. I almost wonder if her face is, there's something with her face, because it's like extra shiny. Aha, so she has translucent skin. I did not know that. Yeah, that's why she looks different to me. I do have a few Neos that have translucent, and I do like that look. So that's an extra bonus. In fact, I'm going to read out the stats. Let me go over to my computer, and I'll kind of read them out here. Hold on. So, her stats. She's on CC Toys right now. Her hair is long and slightly permed with cut bangs, and her hair color is ash-colored light brown. Her face is regular with translucent skin, and her eye color is purple. Her eyeshadow is brown, cheeks pink, her lips a salmon pink. She came out in October 2015. So, those are the stats on the girl. All right, well, that's a definite added bonus. All right, let me take off. She's got plastic on the back of her head. And here she's got the little dial for her eyes. Right. Oh, her head tilts a little bit. I forgot about that. That's nice. All right, come on. What's the deal here? Is there anything on it? Oh, there is. There's a little piece of tape on there. That's why I couldn't make it work. There we go. Okay, much better. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, much better. That's kind of cool that she can tilt her head like that. I want to do the fake ones. I don't remember if they tilt like that. Here's one of my fakies. Does she tilt? Oh, she does not tilt. She goes like that, but yeah, her head does not tilt. Interesting. All right, so fingers crossed. Obviously, dolly nudity is about to happen. We hope that there's no staining. Oh, good. They gave her a little t-shirt here. She's got her little pink undies. They're not the best undies in the world. Oh, and they put them over the plastic. Okay. Yes, this is a much sturdier little body. She's not the first Middie I've had. I had the Alice Pebbles one and years ago, and I sold her because I said, I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. You have to buy special shoes and clothes and all that stuff, and I'm just not going to do it. And, well, here I am a few years later. I don't regret selling that doll, though. I just wasn't ready for her. Now I am ready for a Middie. Yeah. All right, so far so good. Oh wait. A little mark there. That might be able to get rid of that with Mr. Eraser. All right, so I combed her hair out. It is not the best. It's not the worst. It's, you know, this doll came out in 2012. This is 2024. Do the math. It's been in that box for a while. So the ends are dry. And it's kind of cut uneven. But honestly, I think this is something I am up for fixing. I think I could trim that and make it look a little bit better. I might even give her a spa. I haven't had to do a spa in a while, but I think she could use one. It's kind of, her hair's kind of greasy. You know, typical. It's greasy up here, dry on the ends. Okay. But she's super cute. I forgot about the tilt of the head. That is super adorable. I do like this body much better. It's not so floppy. These dolls' bodies are just, they're just too floppy for me. Okay. A lot of people are fine with them. This doll I think is super cute, but you know, I don't like her bod. So here's the dress. I didn't show you the dress before. I showed you the other items. There's a few little, you know, strings I've got to trim off, so that's not a huge deal. This is very cute. It's layered, so it has a little petticoat underneath it. It's got a really nice detail of this velvet belt and these little faux buttons. You know, it's black, so we're going to have to be careful. That's why they gave you this extra top. Okay. Typically, you know, I don't think they have these, but I have noticed whenever they have black clothing, they will give you this. But, you know, the thing is, I just don't understand why even do black, people. So many other things you could do and not put black on your dolls that are going to be in a box for 10 plus years. Just seems odd, but it is a really cute dress. I do like the dress. I just have to remember that I better not keep her in it for a very long period of time. And yes, I'm very, very happy with the doll. I think I might get another midi, so I have two to do stuff with. But right now I'm just going to enjoy this little girl. Maybe fix her hair at some point or whatever, but hang out. I'm going to put her her stock on, and so we can see what she looks like with everything on. Alright guys, I have all of her stock on except for the sunglasses. They do look really cute. I'll put a picture of her wearing them at the end, but you know, they cover a lot of her face, so I thought for my purposes right now, I wouldn't have them on her. She has the bow in her hair. This was very easy to put in. It just has that little comb and it popped right in there, so I like that a lot. This dress is cute, but it's not finished as well as I would have liked, especially the top. I ended up using this little pokey purple thing that I use for sewing to kind of stick down some of the threads, because even though I trimmed some off, I didn't want, like in the center here, there's a thread that's holding on these little buttons. Well, if I trim too close, those buttons might come off, so I didn't want to trim that off. The stand is nice. It's nice to have the Takara stands, the real ones, they are better than the cheapo fake ones, I have to say. I don't know what the deal is. They stay together better. Getting these socks on was not easy. It never is. But, you know, there's no stretchiness to them. The shoes fit her really, really well. And all in all, I'm very, very happy with her. I think I got a good price for her, considering. I am going to wash and trim up her hair a little bit. And I would say I feel like there was value in this doll. Some of them are priced pretty high these days. They don't make a lot of middies anymore. They crank out the Neos almost every month. They're starting to do that again. And in the past, back in the day when they were at their height before Takara stopped making them and Good Smile took over, excuse me, the Neo dolls were coming out every single month. They slowed down a little bit when Good Smile took over, but Good Smile is picking up steam now, so we're seeing a lot of releases, but we don't see a lot of midi dolls. And, you know, they're on my radar now. I do like this body so much better. It's sturdier. It doesn't have as much, you know, her legs don't bend. The arms just go up and down, okay? She's got the tilt head. The body doesn't have, I mean, there's very limited articulation here, but she's very sturdy. She would be a good doll to take out and take photographs because she stands really well on her stand, or she could be even leaning up against stuff. This doll, she's floppy. Okay, she's sadly a floppy doll. So, which is too bad because her little face is so adorable. But yeah, I think I'm going with the real deal now. My choice is, and you know, the thing is, I know you can buy more fakies and then just have a whole bunch of fakies and not have, and have a small number or none at all of the real ones. But sometimes this is one of those quality over quantity decisions that doll collectors have to make. And in fact, I might do a video about that. Yeah, so I'll shut up about it. That's a separate video. Let me know what you think about this cutie patootie here. Melanie Unique Girl. In the comments down below, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.